Can an LLC convert to S corporation? Yes, an LLC can convert to an S corporation, but technically it's not a legal conversion. It's a tax election. Your LLC remains an LLC legally, but by filing Form 2553 with the IRS, you can have it taxed as an S Corp. This allows you to change how profits are reported and taxed without changing your business structure. The main advantage of electing S corporation taxation is reducing self-employment taxes. As the owner, you pay yourself a reasonable salary subject to payroll taxes, and then you can take remaining profits as distributions, which are not subject to self-employment tax. This can create significant tax savings if your LLC earns more than your salary. Not all LLCs qualify. To elect S Corp status, your LLC must have fewer than 100 members, only one class of ownership, and all members must be U.S. citizens or residents. It also comes with added payroll and filing responsibilities. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and file the S Corp election, so your taxes are set up correctly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.